We are going to go to Goodwill to see if I can find any film cameras. He doesn't like when I vlog. John found a nerd device.
$10 right? It'll have a hard drive in it, of like a terabyte.
What is it?
Just a DVD recorder and player.
What would camera stuff be? Wouldn't it be like over here? I think camera would be over here, but it's not. Made it to location number 2 because the first one sucked. It's a cassette recorder. This place is huge. We're getting a plate. It's the fountain where John's parents got engaged. We're getting Chipotle. I was not able to find a film camera.
What's up, guys?
There were so many things in their electronics department of the store, and it literally felt like walking into the 2000s or so, the early 2000s. Like it was all old and junk that didn't work.
Maryland is not it. Look at that, Daddy.
This is heavy.
Tighter lid, actually.
That is huge. Take a big bite.